This is definitely not a dairy product.
There is a slight bitterness to it, sweetness, a little bit of sourness.
Cinnamon and a few other spices.
It's made from apples. It's an apple butter, a rich, spicy apple butter. I have nibbled this, I'll be honest, just straight off the spoon. It has won Chef's Choice Award at the Blasna Éireann, the Irish Food Awards.
You could put it on your toast.
Bake with it, marinade, glaze.
Put it on your soda bread, you could spread it on your meat.
An ultra versatile conserve with sweet and savoury uses. A real personal favourite is actually having a nice Greek style yogurt. The combination just there is absolutely beautiful. Irish black butter is made from Armagh Bramley apples, cider, brandy and spices. The Armagh Bramley apple has a very rich heritage going back hundreds of years. Some have referred to Irish black butter as the other black stuff. I sold the first yard on the beach at the White Rocks, just adjacent to Royal Portrush, and of course one of the greatest golf locations in the world. Try Irish black butter, a great new taste of Ireland.